Okay, so here is problem number 1. It says, this is a portion of the graph of a system of equations. So we have two things graphed here. Which is most likely the solution set for the system? So the solution set for a system is where they cross each other. So we have here this solution and this solution right here. Looks like the coordinate for this, the x coordinate is 0. And then the y coordinate is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0, 5. And then the other one here is 1, 2, 3, 4. X is 4. And then the y is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, 4, negative 3. So 0, 5, and 4, negative 3. Answer choice is D. Which is the solution to the following system of equations? So here we have two equations, and we can, since we don't have a graph, we can go ahead and graph this on Desmos and then see where they cross each other. So let me bring up Desmos. So right here, we're just going to plug these in Desmos. So you have here y equals x squared. Oops. Okay, so I did graph both of them exactly the way it is, and look at where they cross at negative 1, 5, negative 1, negative 5, and 5, 7. Negative 1, negative 5, and 5, and 7. So the answer is C. Okay, so this problem right here is a regression problem. So this one is, it says using a graphing calculator, which equation best represents the curve of best fit? Okay, so there's a few ways we can do this. The way that we went over in class was to, find all of the x and y coordinates, and then we can build a regression to see which one goes through these points over here. But what I can tell you is, let's just look at the general shape of this, okay? So it looks like the trend is the points are starting from here, it's going up, and then it's kind of coming back down, okay? So we can say that it's starting from bottom, going up, and then coming back down. Now, when that happens, this is definitely a quadratic, so your function should have an x squared. And also, the function is negative, so this is a negative x squared. So we're just going to go here. This is an x squared, but it's a positive x squared. This number is positive, so it cannot be this one. This does not have an x squared. This one doesn't have an x squared. This one does have an x squared, and it is negative. So this one is the best answer I can get for this. Okay. If you want to, you can go ahead and graph it and make sure that it has the this shape right here. But yeah, that's how you would do this problem. Okay.